Pagka destiny ng isang tao, hindi mo maiwasan yun, di ba? Bakit sinabi kong destiny? Kasi 17 years ago, na naginip ang inyong hinirang na anak dito, 17 years ago, bago pa kami naglalaro ng golf ni Mayor. I've been supporting Mayor because he's the Mayor of Davao City for more than 20 years. All through these years, the Father let me support him. Through revelation, the Father let me support what he's doing in Davao City. So, nanaginip ako na pinakuha niya ako ng aeroplano, naglaro kami ng golf sa Malacanang. Sabi ko, bakit itong mayor naging presidente? Without knowing the plan of the Father, I thought it was just a dream, just like that. Pero ngayon, na siya ay umaakyat ang kanyang ratings, the only provincial mayor considered to be a province, Davao City, na umakyat sa national level ng mga presidentiables. Hindi gawa ng tao to. Siguradong ang Diyos may pakay sa buhay niya.